running that thing when it's yard debris, stuff that's 8-inch minus, and it was incredible. I think we were probably doing 100 yards an hour is % of it. And I put 2 days, 15 hours on that thing, and we did a ton of material. I think the cool thing is how mobile it is, because we were able to go from site to site to site with an F550 and still have something that was capable of doing almost anything that we put in front of it, even the firewood chunks that were 36-inch diameter. I think the recycling yards, small lots, multiple people with multiple sites, loggers doing slash piles. I think the room for that thing is tremendous. I think the needs in the market for it is very unique in what it can do for the size.